So guys, this video will either make you smile or probably disappoint you. I really don't know, but I'm going to share it anyway, right? Now, I just got paid for 1,000 views, right, by YouTube. My video got over 1,000 views, really. So I got paid and I thought I should share it with you guys because the last one I shared was pretty low. But I just had to share this one, right? So when I saw that the views has passed over 1,000 views, I had to see that when I saw the revenue from this particular video, right? And that's why I said this video might either make you smile or probably disappoint you. Now, a lot of people think there's a lot of money on YouTube. Yeah, there's a lot of money here, but there are some things that people are not telling you. And I'm going to be showing you that in this video. So we are going to check the views on this video, and also check the amount. Now, in this video, I'm going to be showing you more than one particular video, like the revenues for like 5 different videos, okay? With some of them with high views, some of them with low views, above 1,000, below 1,000, above 2,000, and everything, okay? I'm going to be showing you in this video, guys. Now, let's just go and check it out. If you are seeing me for the first time, my name is Joy. On this channel, I create videos about tips and strategies to grow your YouTube channel and monetize without stress. So feel free to join the family by subscribing to this channel and like this video, and as well share to also either encourage other people, or you're going to find out right now. So guys, let's go to my screen, okay, where I show you exactly what this video has earned for me. So guys, this is my screen, as you can see, right? Yeah, this is the beginning. So before I show you the video that is above 1,000 views that made you click on this particular video, I want to quickly show you a video of 500 plus views. Okay, I would like to show you that video so that you can actually weigh your options and see what these revenues is saying, even though they are not saying anything. So this video is 581 views, right? Let's check this video out, guys. Okay, I did A and B test for this video. It's 5841, so that's the views right there. That one won the challenge actually. Now this video got over 579 views, right? And YouTube recommended it, of course. Now look at the watch hours from this video, 25 watch hours. Okay, please take note. And we have 9 subscribers from this. Look at the revenue, $1.09. Now let's scroll over to the revenue and see how the money came. Okay, how much I made from this video? $1. I said 1,000. Amen. So shall it be. So $1, 9 cents, right? And the revenue per 1K views for this video is $1.88. How much advertisers pay is $3.19. So for a pretty new channel, do you think this is good, or is it going to get better? But this is it for this 500 views. Let me not waste time because I don't want this video to be too long. Now let's go over to, yeah, this is the one I reviewed last week when I said YouTube paid me for 2,000 views. So this is the video. Now it's at 2,500 views presently, right? Now let me click on the analytics as usual. Okay, the video got 2,515 views, as you can see, and 71.6 watch hours. That's almost 72 watch hours from a single video. Now we have 42 subscribers. This is why I tell you that posting videos is how you get watch hours and how you get subscribers. If I got 42 subscribers from just one video, I mean, imagine posting often. That means you get more than this. And 71 watch hours, almost 100 watch hours from a video, because this video is still counting. As you can see, look at it, real-time views. In the last 48 hours, it has accumulated 40 views. So please keep posting, okay? Now let's go to the revenue. Okay, let's go to the revenue. Look at the revenue. How much advertisers pay for this video? $1.99, guys. This is the one I showed you last week. Some person said it was okay, and some person said it wasn't. Now, for 1K views, advertisers paid $0.71 for this particular video. Let's check the audience before we go to the actual video that made us come here today. Now, look at the top geographies: Nigeria, Kenya, South Africa. Is basically made up of African countries, except for US, that is 3.8%, but the other percent is coming from African countries. Now let's go back to the video of the day. So this is our video of the day, guys, and it was actually the video where I analyzed this last video, which is at 2,500. I talked about it in this video the same way I'm doing right now. So let's see how much this video earned. This video is sitting at 1,924 views. So this video has been shown to about 34,300 people. Look at how people found the video and all of that. The external site suggesting this video is binge.com. That means this video is searchable for Binge to be suggesting this video and all of that. Look at the YouTube search terms and basically everything. I told you before that this is how you analyze your videos in your YouTube studio, right? Look at content suggesting these videos. They are all YouTube growth kind of content, right? How much YouTube paid, fastest way to reach 4K, YouTube short and all of that. Now let's check the engagement of this video. Okay, this video has given me 108 watch hours, guys. 108. Remember the other one was 72 watch hours, the 2500, right? Now this is 108 watch hours, and average view duration is 3 minutes each. So as this video is 3 minutes each now, if 80 people, if 80,000 people can watch this video for these 3 minutes, guys, if this video gets to 80,000 people, it will be 4,000 watch hours approximately, because it's 3 minutes and above of watch time. Do you understand me? So this is basically, now let's go to the audience before we go to the revenue. Okay, look at the audience, the device type. This is just the age and everything. I don't want to waste too much time on this video. Male and female. Female is always topping the chart. Male, get to the top of the chart. Okay, now the top geographies is still Nigeria, and then US is now second, right? Followed by Ghana, US, and UK and South Africa. Now you've seen the geographies and the watch time. Let's go to the revenue, guys. Guys, look at how much this video has earned me. $3.39 for one single video that is not even up to 2,000 views, right? Now look at how the money came. Watch page ads, that is from my normal video right now, and YouTube Premium. Look at the revenue per 1,000 views, $1.86, right? And advertisers paid $3.29. If you look at these views, it's showing 1,800 views. It has not even added the 900 and something that is on top of the views right now. Okay, so this video is approximately 1,800 views, and I got $3.39 for 1,800 views. I mean, this is worth it. I'm going to tell you the truth, because I've seen other social media and how much people earn and what the revenue they get. Sometimes they end up getting even up to 20,000, 200,000 views, and they don't even earn up to $1. This is just 1,800. You've seen that YouTube is worth it. So if you are creating on YouTube, you should be encouraged to create more, because a day will come, you will start reaping from all of your struggles and all of your sweats. Do you understand me? Now, there are two things that actually determine earning high on YouTube. One, where your viewers are watching from, and two, how much they watch. So guys, before we go, I would like to show you one last video. This video earned 241 views, right? I want to show you the revenue and to see how much advertisers pay. All of the videos, they can even get the same views, but they don't pay the same amount. Some videos are more important than the others. I don't know how they select it, but advertisers pay more for some videos more than the other. This one is just 241 views, right? Let's see the engagement first. Let me show you the engagement. This one has 18 watch hours and 4.43 average view duration. This is pretty high for a video with just 200 plus views, right? Now the audience, let's check the audience where they are watching from as well. Okay, Nigeria as the top chart, and then US as the second. And yeah, I think that's basically the two countries watching this. Now let's see the revenue, guys. This is very important. Guys, look at it. I've earned $0.87 for this particular video. If this video should get to 1,000 views, it's going to earn me $3.73. It's even higher than the 1,800 views we just reviewed, right? Do you know why? Because advertisers are paying more for this particular video. How I upload videos on YouTube, that's the title of the video. $5.65. That's how much advertisers are paying for this video. So guys, all of your videos will not do the same. They will not get the same views. They will still not get the same revenue. But will they pay you? Yes. Is it worth it? Yes. Keep posting, don't give up, and you start sharing your own videos like this. Okay, I remember when I used to see people sharing their experience, how much to pay me and all of that, and today I'm doing the same thing. So please don't give up. I see a lot of people telling me they've been posting, they don't have views, they're tired. Don't be tired. Keep posting. We know why we keep telling you. Then I was not even really understanding why people will tell you keep posting, but now I see the light. When you post, you get views, you get watch time, you get subscribers, you get revenue, you get paid for it. So guys, this is it for today. Do you think this price is worth it? This revenue I got from this video? Let me know in the comments. Okay, I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.